Hello students, today we will see the second part in Unit 6 History, that is early revolts against British rule in Tamil Nadu. So far we have completed up to the Palekaras revolt, Palayams and Palekaras, Kalakadu battle, Yusuf Khan, about Velanachiyar, etc. So today we will start with Veerapandiya Kattabomman. Veerapandiya Kattabomman from 1790 to 1799. Jagaveerapandiya Kattabomman is the father of Veerapandiya Kattabomman. So when he died, at the age of 30, Veerapandiya Kattabomman became the Palekarar of Panchalam Kuruchi. So after his father's death, he became the Palekarar of Panchalam Kuruchi, and then the British appointed some collectors or administrators to collect the tax. So the collectors humiliated the Palekaras to collect the tax. Humiliated means they are treating the Palekaras very badly. So the British appoint some collectors to collect the tax. So the collectors humiliated the Palekaras. So this creates the bone contention between the English and the Kattabomman. Bone contention means creates a problem. So this thing creates a problem between the English and Kattabomman. Confrontation with Jackson. So Jackson, he is an arrogant English officer. So Kattabomman want to pay 3,310 pagodas as a land revenue. So he want to pay this amount as a land revenue. Pagodas means amount. Okay. So Jackson ordered Kattabomman to meet him. But Kattabomman didn't meet Jackson for the first time. So in the second time, in the year of 1798, September 19, in Ramanathapuram, Jackson and Kattabomman has planned to meet there. But Jackson make Kattabomman to stand for 3 hours. So Jackson make Kattabomman to stand for 3 hours. So after that, Kattabomman tried to escape with his minister Subramanianar, that is with his minister Sivasubramanianar. But Umathurai entered into the fort and he helped Kattabomman to escape from that place. So Umathurai is the brother of Kattabomman. So after that, Sivasubramanianar was arrested by the English people. Appearance before Madras Council. So Kattabomman informed to the Madras Council about how he was ill-treated by Jackson. So the Madras Council, so they asked him to appear in front of William Brown, William Oram and John Casamager. So in between, Governor Edward Clive, so he released the Sivasubramanianar and also he suspended Collector Jackson. Governor Edward Clive released the Sivasubramanianar and he suspended Collector Jackson. After that, Kattabomman appeared before the Madras Council in the year of 1798, December 15. And he reported to the council about Jackson. So they dismissed the collector Jackson and the new collector was appointed. So the new collector is S.R. Lushington. So S.R. Lushington is appointed as a new collector. And also Kattabomman want to pay the land revenue, right? So he has cleared all the pagodas except 1080. So except 1080, he has cleared all the pagodas. Kattabomman and Confederacy of Palekaras. In Sivagangai, Marutapandiyar formed the South Indian Confederacy of rebels against the British. So they formed a confederacy. So the people who are against the British will join in this confederacy. That is, the Palekaras will join in this confederacy. So Marutapandiyar is the leader of South Indian Confederacy. He got support from Gopala Nayak of Dindigul, Yadul Nayak of Anaimalai and Kattabomman. So Kattabomman tried to influence all the Palekaras to revolt against the British people. And also he tried to influence the Sivagiri Palekaras. So the company came to know about this. They came to know about the plan of Kattabomman. So the British company sent an army to Tirunelveli to march towards it. The siege of Panchalamkurchi. So in the last heading, so the British people, they sent an army to march towards the Tirunelveli, right? So after that, in May 1799, Lord Wellesley, so he sent an army to Tirunelveli. So Major Bannerman is the leader of the army. So in 1799, September 1, Bannerman asked Kattabomman to surrender, but he refused. To surrender. After that, Major Bannerman sent Ramalingar to ask Kattabomman to surrender, but Kattabomman refused. So after that, Ramalingar gathered all the secrets of the fort. So based on his report, Bannerman decided to do the operation. So at the end of this operation, Sivasubramanianar was arrested by the British people. Execution of Kattabomman. So Kattabomman didn't surrender. So when Major Bannerman asked him to surrender, he was refused, and also he was refused when Ramalinganar asked him to surrender. So at last Sivasubramanianar was taken a prisoner. So Kattabomman was escaped and he went to Pudukottai. So the betrayal of Rajas of Pudukottai and Rajas of Ettayapuram make Kattabomman to capture by the British people. So Sivasubramanianar, he was hanged at Nagalapuram in September 13 by the British people, and also Kattabomman was also hanged in the tamarind tree in the old fort of Kayathar by the British people. So now Sivasubramanianar and Kattabomman was died. The next heading is the Marudhu brothers. So the Marudhu brothers are the able generals of Muttuvadgar. So Muttuvadgar is the husband of Velu Nachiyar. So after the death of Muttuvadgar, so Marudhu brothers helped Velu Nachiyar to restore the throne. So the Marudhu brothers are Periya Marudhu, who is the elder brother, and Chinna Marudhu, who is the younger brother. So Periya Marudhu is also called as Vella Marudhu. So after the death of Kattabomman, Periya Marudhu and Chinna Marudhu, so these two people joined with Oomathurai to revolt against the British people. So Periya Marudhu, Chinna Marudhu and Oomathurai, so they revolt against the British and they plundered the granaries of Nawab of Arcot. So Nawab of Arcot has also joined with the British company. So he gave his rights to the British company in collecting the revenue, in collecting the tax, right? And also these three peoples, they distract the company troops. Plundered means kolladikkirathu. Okay. The next, rebellion of Marudhu brothers. So the rebellion of Marudhu brothers is referred as Second Palekarar War by the British people. In April, Nayak of Dindigul, Kerala Varma, Krishnappa and Dudanji of Mysore. So these people, they support the Marudhu brothers to revolt against the British people. So Nayak of Dindigul, Kerala Varma, Krishnappa and Dudanji of Mysore. So these people support the Marudhu brothers to revolt against the British people. So then the British people, they declared the war against the Palekaras. Because these peoples are against the British people, no. So they declared war on Palekaras, and few Palekaras was caught and hanged by the British people. So some Palekaras are caught and hanged by the British people, no. So Oomathurai and Sevathaiya was also arrested by the British people. So in February 1801, Oomathurai and Sevathaiya, they are the brothers of Kattabomman. They tried to escape from the Palayangkottai prison. So they got help from Chinna Marudhu. And also Oomathurai and Sevathaiya, they reconstruct the Panchalamkurchi fort. So Panchalamkuruchi fort was reconstructed by Umuturai and Savataya. So after that the fort was captured by Colin Makule. And then Umuturai and Savataya, they again escaped to Sivagangai. They got help from the Marudu brothers. But the British people asked the Marudu brothers to hand over the Umuturai and Savataya. But the Marudu brothers refused that they will not hand over these two people to the British. Colonel Agnew and Colonel Innes, so they marched towards Sivagangai because Marudu brothers didn't hand over Umuturai and Savataya to British people. So Colonel Agnew and Colonel Innes planned to march towards the Sivagangai. In June 1801, Marudu brothers, they created a Tiruchirappalli proclamation. They created a proclamation which is towards the independence, and it is also called as Tiruchirappalli proclamation.